is the colors. Your choices are the strokes on the canvas. This canvas will either be a treasured masterpiece or an unnoticed scribbling that would decide how good a painter you were in painting your life. A very good evening to one and all present here. On behalf of the entire graduating batch of 2012-2013, I take this golden opportunity to convey my deepest regards to this esteemed institution, which has helped us to build ourselves as worthy students and to develop wings to fly in this vast world. The wings, as I refer to, is the foundation stone on which we have to build our various careers of multifarious dimensions. To begin, I would like to thank the Almighty God for giving us everything that life has to offer in every way. I would like to thank our dear parents for all the support they have given to us children, who are my batchmates and friends as well, in achieving the high standards set by our school, and also for guiding us all in upholding moral values and high virtues worthy of making us good human beings. Our parents play a pivotal role in molding our character and values in life, something they have done in an exemplary way. Education becomes a gift when you recognize the heart of the teachers who transfer that knowledge unto you. We need someone outside of us to guide us. They are the mirrors that reflect us to ourselves, that show us the strength with which we can fight our weaknesses. They are none other than our beloved teachers. If we remove the teachings of our teachers from us, nothing of us will remain. Nothing like growing in the right hands. Thank you, teachers. And now, talking about my dear batchmates. Our batch is an interesting mixture of spontaneous writers, excellent debaters, creative cartoonists, cool musicians, graceful dancers, loud chirpy noisemakers, bubbly entertainers, enthusiastic sports lovers, witty and humorous mood elevators, and sleepy daydreamers. And not to forget our walking encyclopedias. No one is less than the other. Each one has played an important role in making life at school enjoyable. Our bonding was strengthened when the entire batch took part in different events like Disha, our inter-school fest, where we worked together as a team. This bonding was further strengthened when the entire batch took an initiative to practice and put up an excellent show on Teachers' Day. The different field trips and picnics added on to the fun and helped us to understand each other better with a more affectionate and loving approach. I would like to applaud you all for fostering love, respect, friendship, understanding, camaraderie, and cooperation amongst us. This has further strengthened our resolve to achieve together. Swami Vivekananda once said, "All power is within you. You can do anything and everything. Believe in that." The famous boxing champion Muhammad Ali once said, "I hated every minute of training, but I said, don't quit. Suffer now and live the rest of your life as a champion." Difficult times we may face, tough times we may encounter, but dream we must. Dreams are the gap between where we are and where we will be. Will I is never the question. By when will I is the question. Great dreams of great dreamers will always be fulfilled. Whatever the mind of a man can conceive and believe, it can achieve. God never gives us an idea without the power to achieve it. But when we have to face the harsh realities of life, let us never be instigated by others in giving our response. Let us hold our head high. Let us live our character and keep our self-esteem high. How much ever we are tested, wherever we go, whatever we do, we have to live our character. Let the limitations of other people not limit us. Let us together impress the world. The language of life is, I can. One of our teachers once mentioned, you are all precious gems, and in due course of time, you will all shine like diamonds. At the end, I would like to wish my batchmates all the very best for the upcoming board exams and for a bright future ahead. I would like to conclude my speech with the saying, we meet to part, that is the tragedy of life. But we part to meet again, that is the melody of life. Thank you.